love it here, and you know, ski costs. But I mean,
well,
really,
yesterday was hell.
I don't want to be riding my.
Yesterday was unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.
You know,
That's our country out there. All of this is our country. Well, we high traversing again, I guess, huh?
Yeah,
Might as well.
why would you not want to do that?
I wonder if my cheater thing's icy.
No, I'm sure it's not.
Your cheater thing? Oh,
He's a cheater. He cheats.
Half the fun is coming into that corner as fast as you can.
Yeah, that's right.
You gotta point that thing down the drop off over here, the no fall zone.
Okay. I'll keep it rolling for a little bit. It's all free video anyway. Coming up to the waterfall. I was out in the middle a few years ago and all the snow slid. And I did hang on though. Anyway, that's up and that's down.
Way down.
Could be a nice fall. It wouldn't kill you, but it might hurt. Did this all day yesterday, and now it's all day today. Okay, we'll catch you at Piss Pass.